Thank you for joining IBIE on this sneak peek of exhibit space at IBIE 2022 It's All Baked In. We know that all the ABA, BIMA, and RBA members are hard at work completing their booth contracts and submitting their deposits, but we want to share some additional information about the Las Vegas Convention Center and some of the exciting changes at IBIE 2022. All the information shared today is readily available on the IBIE website, www.bakingexpo.com, under the For Exhibitors tab. Let's dive in. On the screen, you will see the campus map of the Las Vegas Convention Center complex. Past shows have utilized the Central and North halls connected by a main lobby. You may remember the ABA BIMA booth, Innovation Showcase, and Starbucks in the Central lobby. At the 2022 show, IBIE will be utilizing the brand new West Hall and the North Hall connected by a sky bridge over Paradise Road. If you follow the cursor on the screen, I will highlight how attendees will move around between the two halls, accessing show features and services like registration, education, and transportation. Let's start with the West Hall. In the West Hall, taxi, pickup, and drop-off will be here on Convention Center Drive at the front of the hall. Uber and Lyft services will be at the back of the West Hall in the Diamond Lot near the accessible parking icon. The Diamond Lot will also be one of IBIE's parking lots. Official shuttle pickup and drop-off will be outside the West Hall in the Diamond Lot near the number 3 on the map. The number 3 shows the location where attendees and exhibitors can access the new Elon Musk Boring Company underground shuttle service, where attendees will be whisked between the halls and Teslas. Once inside the West Hall lobby, you will find the ABA and BIMA booth, a food court, and of course, 4 entrances into the West Hall. On the second floor of the West Hall, you will find registration and meeting rooms for use of the official IBIE corporate meeting program. IBIE Educate sessions will take up residence on the 3rd floor of the West Hall. Now that we have our bearings in West, let's travel to the North Hall. As mentioned, the two halls are connected by a sky bridge over Paradise Road. Attendees and exhibitors may also walk outside between the two halls. Attendees access the sky bridge on the 2nd floor of each building. Once through the sky bridge to the North Hall, attendees and exhibitors will find themselves on the 2nd floor, where additional education and hands-on sessions will be held. Attendees will proceed down a set of escalators and elevators and will access the North Hall from one of 4 entrances. In the North Hall, taxi drop-off and pickup will be here on Convention Center Drive at the front of the building. Uber and Lyft services will be in the Silver Lot. At this time, there is no official IBIE shuttle pickup and drop-off planned at North Hall, but that could change. The black number 2 on the map shows the location where attendees and exhibitors can access the 2nd pickup and drop-off access station of the new Elon Musk Boring Company underground shuttle service. Let's move on to the floor plan for IBIE 2022. You will see 3 show elements in each hall. Let's start with the West Hall. On the far left, you will see a black rectangle. This is the sanitation pavilion. In the center is the International Lounge, and on the far right, the IBIE Artisan Marketplace. In the North Hall, the large white square makes up the Retail Bakers of America booth, the RBA Baker Center, the Great American Pie Festival, and the Tiptree World Bread Awards competition areas. The black rectangle on the far right is the Business of Cannabis Pavilion. As I mentioned, all of these maps and more can be found at the IBIE website, www.bakingexpo.com, under the For Exhibitors tab. Visit the Exhibitor Resources menu to see more information about the show. As a reminder, Round 1 space selection is reserved for ABA and BIMA and RBA members in good standing who submit their booth contracts and deposits by 11:59 Central on Thursday, May 17th. If you have any questions about today's presentation, booth contracts, priority points, or space selection, please contact IBIE at exhibits@bakingexpo.com.